Hey y'all, throw me a subscribe for teaching us a little life hack. So this is my old Chevrolet. Got it in '08. It's been a fine truck. Main drawback of this thing is, after about 3 years owning it, tailgate kept falling down and falling down and falling down. You shut it, you fall it down. What it turned out to be was these little pegs right here, Chevrolet put on here. That's a wearable piece. That plastic wears out. The more you open and close it, the more it wears out. So literally on my wedding day, I was supposed to move a bunch of tables and chairs and stuff back here. It broke. I didn't have time to run up to Advance to get parts. So what I did, and I did this 8 years ago, and it's been working fabulous, is I put on these little door latches, like you see at the bathroom stall. And I live on a farm, as you can see, so I haul hay and all kinds of stuff. And it has been working amazing. Basically, I just take that, close it, boom. Same thing like on this side. Just take it, close it, boom. And those only cost me $2, and I've had them for 8 years, where those two little pegs I showed you were about $25 a set, and I'd get maybe a year to a year and a half out of them. But that's a tip. Hope it helps. Throw me a subscribe.